Okay, today we would like to talk about how VPN is important and how we can use VPN in the mobile applications. And then these are the teams member of our groups. Okay, let's start it. At first, we would like to talk about what is VPN. Okay, VPN, the long term of VPN is like virtual private network, and then it's used for secure connection over the internet, and then it can protect online privacy and security for users. So let's see the technical terms. Okay, there are seven technical terms of VPN in mobile application. Okay, the first one is VPN protocol. It's like VPN protocol is like establishing secure connection. Like each protocol had its strength and weakness in terms of security, speed, compatibility with different mobile platform. That's called VPN protocol. And then the second one is encryption. Encryption, like very good and strong encryption, is essential and important to ensure confidentiality and integrity of data transmitted over the VPN connections. And then the next one is authentication. The authentication, it's like VPN client authenticate themselves to VPN server to establish a secure connection. This process involves exchanging credential, digital certificate, or keys, and then strong authentication and such as like certificate-based authentication and multi-factor authentications. It can improve the security. Okay, the next step is like DNS handling. The long term of DNS is domain name system. Is DNS mean DNS request made by user device, and then VPN must be handled securely, prevent DNS leak, where DNS query bypass the DNS channel, and then IP, ISP, and DNS server. And the VPN application often improve techniques such as DNF encryption and then DNS leak protection to mitigate the risks. Okay, the next step is kill switch. It's like a very important features in VPN application. Is prevent data leakage in the event of VPN connection failure. Like if you fail to connect VPN, and they provide you your data not leak or um, um, like terminate all network traffic or block specific applications. Okay, and then the next one is server infrastructure. Like VPN provider operate a network or servers located in various geographic locations to offer user a choice of endpoints. You can choose many server in many country like Germany, England, Thailand, Spain. Okay, and then some VPN server is like Asia, Europe, North America, South America, like this. And then this mobile VPN application may efficiently manage server selections based on factor such as like proximity, server load, and then user preference to ensure optimal performance and reliability. And then the next is compliance and regulations. Uh, VPN provider must follow the relevant legal and regulatory requirements such as data privacy law and export control. And then they they also have to comply with their standard and certifications such as like GDPR, PDPA. Like GDPR is General Data Protection Regulation in Europe. PDPA is Personal Data Protection Act in Thai, and then SOC is Service Organization Control, and then it's mean like protecting user. They have to follow this law because they have to protect user privacy and security. Okay, the next step is
In this slide, what I will present about why is VPN important for enhanced privacy and security. VPN encrypt your internet connection, making it difficult for third parties to intercept on your online activities. And this is especially crucial when using public Wi-Fi networks where hackers may attempt to steal sensitive information. For bypassing geo restriction and censorship, VPN allows you to bypass geographic restriction and access content that may be blocked or restricted in your region. Secure remote access. VPNs enable secure remote access to corporate networks and resources for employees working remotely or traveling. Protection of personal data. VPNs help protect your personal data from being tracked or monitored by ISP, internet service providers, government agencies, and advertisers. It ensures that your online activities remain private by masking your IP address and encrypting your internet traffic. Protection from cyber attacks. VPNs provide a layer of protection against cyber threats such as malware and phishing attacks. Safeguarding financial transactions. VPNs provide an added layer of security for online banking, shopping, and other financial transactions. It protects sensitive financial information such as credit card numbers, passwords, and personal identification details from interception or theft.
Okay, so why do we need VPNs? Okay, so here are some of the reasons reasons why we need to use the VPN. The first thing is the security. The sec- security because um, VPNs can also enhance the online security and and also privacy and encrypt your internet connection. And especially when you are using the public Wi-Fi networks, uh, it can protect your data from others unexpected error virus or hackers. So the second one is privacy, because um, the privacy because VPNs can hide your IP address and also hiding your online activities. So there will be no there will be no targeted advertisements, and there is no um, browsing data browsing history in your internet usage. So they will get a lot more privacy when you're using the internet with VPNs. So the next one is access to restricted content. So you can change it. You can change it from you can change the region from the VPNs that to the region that that you like. That website is accessible in that regions, so you can change it and access to that application or websites. So the next one is anonymity, which means uh, making you anonymous, like hiding your true IP address and location. And it is it is for protect your identity or maintain anonymity while conducting online activities. So the last one is secure remote access. So for some business and organization, they want their internet networks for employees working remotely. So the VPNs can remain protected the company's data when access even when accessed from the outside the corporate networks. So the next one is pros and cons of the using VPNs. So let's get started with pros. So yes, it can protect your information and secure your online identity and also hide your location if you change the region and using the internet. So let's see the cons of the VPNs. So the first thing is the cost, because most of the reliable um, VPN providers need to pay need to pay monthly or yearly. So there is no free there is no free version if you want to get a lot more secure and privacy. And the second one is lower internet speeds, because when you change the region, that is a lot more far away from your real physical location. There might be some um, reduce the performance of the internet. The last one is VPNs may not be able to access particular websites, for example, like Amazon. Uh, Even though you are using the VPNs, the websites or applications did not be accessible. So in that case, you need to change the VPNs and search it other VPNs, and you will get uncomfortable to search about that. So that's pros and cons of using VPNs.
So in this part, I will show you how to download and install the application, especially NordVPN. Initially, if you want to download the NordVPN, you have to search the NordVPN on Google, and you have to choose the download a VPN for Windows, PC, or laptop, and then you will reach to the NordVPN website, and you can download or you can buy NordVPN. We are going to download the app. So if you click the download app, next step, uh, you will see that taskbar from the you will see the download bar from the taskbar, and uh, so next step, and then finish the download. You need to go to the file explorer to set it, and click the NordVPN set it. In this bar, it will show the location where the program is located, and this application were located in the C program file with the name of NordVPN. And then if you click the next button, the downloading will start, and then finish the download. So uh, next step, and finish the download, and you are ready to install the application on your computer. And if you click the install icon, next step, uh, you install icon, and then finish the installation as you will see this two options: launch NordVPN and install NordPass with a password manager by NordVPN. It will be free for you. You only have to choose the launch NordVPN, and if you click the finish button, you are ready to use the and then you are ready to use the application on your computer. Next step. Now you can use the VPN to expand your racial network. So this is the demonstration of how to download and install the application.
Now I'm gonna demonstrate how to use a VPN. Yes, in VPN application there are many servers. You have to choose the right one. Now I will show the advanced with Netflix. Here I'm gonna search a series called Supernatural. Natural, yes. This series is only available in US region. Right now we are in Thai region, so we cannot get access to watch the series. So we connect our servers to United States region. And yes, now we can get access this Supernatural series, which is only available in US region. Uh, yeah, so this is as well how to use a VPN. Thank you for your attention.